to the gubernatorial candidate of the PDP in Borno. In 1 minute, IBC, wave your hand, wave your hand, wave your hand. The national anthem.
It appears that Borno has the support of the People's Democratic Party. Look at the camera.
Of course, the Borno even PDP supporters, and they're ready for change. The only challenge we're having, the APC-led government, led by their governor Zulum, came out openly to attack our supporters, to attack our presidential candidate and all PDP dignitaries. But we are ready. We will come out. That will not discourage us. We will keep fighting until we get successful.
Okay. Moving into the election, what is your advice to Borno citizens, particularly concerning the violence we saw today?
Looking at the violence we saw today, we shouldn't be afraid. We shouldn't be afraid of any threat, any disturbances. We should come out, stand our ground, and vote for PDP. We are tired, we know you're tired, and we should change together.